Hey, kitty, kitty.
Well, we can touch her face. Remember with Albie?
Welcome into Mud's closet. That was my cat sitting on my new $5 grab box from Michael's. And I just want to open it up quickly and see what's in here. This is going to be, I think, a quick video. But I'm very curious. I think that it might be springtime things. I'm going to back up a little bit here. Give us a little bit of space. I've got lots of other junk on the table, so I apologize for that, but we're going to see what we have. Now, our cat is new, and I did try earlier to leave a note for the mister if I was videoing, and it ended up kind of shredded. So we're gonna have to figure out the best things to do for that. All right, I'm gonna move the box and unload it up onto the table. All right. So first, it looks like a little bunny. That's a little too big. A little bunny and paint. Some eggs that in my day we called fill and frill eggs. Anybody remember that? There's 4 packs of those. Those will be handy. I usually do the egg hunt for the kids. 4 packs of Easter grass or basket grass. This is a wood bunny craft kit. Oh, 2 more bags of eggs. I don't know how much are in there. 30 eggs. So that's enough for a pretty big hunt. All right, now some ribbon, regular $9.99. Happy Easter. This is pretty. A pink kind of velour. Another pink one. Ooh, and a blue one. Those are nice. I will use those. Another Happy Easter. I probably won't use those, but that's how it goes. And then you guys, a bunch of little rubber ducks that, oh, this one has a little halo of flowers. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. That one, that really is cute. Little bunny ears. Another bunny ear, another halo of flowers, and another halo of flowers. Those are cute little rubber ducks. I don't know what I'll do with them, but they're cute. And then a bunch of little tchotchkes. So some press-on children's-sized nails. They're kind of cute with the little blue bunny, a little house. Those are cute. What else do we have? Rise and Shine. It looks like, oh my gosh, a little carrot-shaped ruler in a teeny little book. That's cute. That is very cute. Little earrings, and they are not all the same. I was going to say they're all the same. They're mostly the same. It looks like 5 that are yellow flowers and little lambs, and 2 that are little blue flowers and duckies. Those are cute. Some charm dangles. That's a little jumbled up. So a lot of little kid things. Honestly, I would say this is worth $5. This is actually really cute. cup charm. I would probably take that Happy Easter off because I think otherwise it's very springy. Looks like there's a couple of those, some different ones. This one has an egg and a bunny and a carrot. This is the one that I just opened. And more eggs and bunnies and carrots. Oh, this must go on this to have a little keychain charm. We'll get that put back together. And, oh, that's cute. A basket charm, it's called, with a little hook. That's sweet. And then another wayward piece of something. Honestly, not bad for $5. I think that was a good purchase. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you think. Is this a good buy? Would you buy another? And did you used to call these plastic eggs fill and thrill eggs? All right. Thanks a lot. Take care. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you in my next video.